Sometimes you gotta run before you walk.
Welcome back everybody, I'm Andrew and today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own HUD helmet effect. So I thought this was really cool because it has that astronaut, that Ironman kind of feel, that space galaxy, space rider feel. Because we all know we're gonna have AR in the future, just everywhere around us on every single panel we can find. So why not get a head start on it right now and start designing the look that we want? I'm gonna show you how to use this. I got this idea from doing a iPhone hologram tutorial from Galaxy creators. That video was crazy good, but it was just so fast. I couldn't keep up. I had to watch it in like 0.25 speed, and as I was watching it, I told myself, once I figure out a way for people to actually be able to follow along, then I would create that video and help other people along. Stick around, enjoy, and hope you guys take something away from it. Let's get right into it. We have our After Effects open. Throw our clip into After Effects. Let's drag it into our composition. We'll use our favorite effect, the 3D camera tracker. We'll just let this run. We want to find a target as flat as we can. Create solid and camera. So once you have this will be the main thing that you use to add all your HUD effects on. Duplicate it with Control D. Grab your duplicate and pre-compose. Let's name it to what we want our effect to be. In this case, we want this to be our eye HUD. Let's double click it, move into that composition, delete the track solid that we already had there, drag in animations that we want. So you can drag in video clips, you can drag in animations, vector files, whatever you have. And for this, I'm using the video elements from Creator Galaxy. He has some freebies. I'll link them in the description below. You guys can go check it out. You can watch this whole video. That one was pretty fun. I spent like an entire Sunday trying to learn it. So if you think it's cool, you can also do the same thing. Use the same idea with your phones. With this channel, I'm here to teach you how to use these ideas and bring them and apply them to other things. These are circles and then they would fit better with the eye. Those will be in the description as well. Here we have it. We have our animation down here. Let's drag our glow intensity and let's choose a bold color like red, something courageous. Change our glow colors to A and B. Lower our glow threshold, raise our glow radius and intensity to give us that nice glow. Let's go back to our main composition and change our blending mode to either screen or add. After, let's hide our track solid, drag the animation onto our eye, and use our transform and scale to lower it to the size of our eye so it fits perfectly. We'll lower the opacity too so it doesn't look too solid. Then we'll use our warp effect to make it look like it's on the inside of our helmet. So it gives that nice round curved look. Let's choose bold and change the bend into your liking. And I like pulling out the Z axis a little bit so you can really tell that it's floating in front of your eye. And there you have it, nice and easy. And then you can just use whatever else animations you can find and then go ahead and use it for your video.
Sometimes you gotta run before you walk.
Now I really liked this effect because it makes me feel like a superhero, and that's something that I've always wanted to be. So when you apply this effect to your own projects, then I want you guys to feel the same way, making yourselves feel like you have superpowers to do something big, do something better. So have fun with it. And with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys took something away from it. If you guys like content like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.